Dozens of baby egrets are filling up the Rogers Wildlife Rehabilitation Facility. That's because hundreds of egrets are dying in DeSoto, many of dehydration, lack of food, and habitat destruction. You can blame the drought. Concerned neighbors on the corner of Hampton and Parkerville Road flew to the aid of the egrets after they found them falling out of the sky, or at least out of their nests, in these trees.
They're just succumbing to the heat. So some of the neighborhood people have picked up birds, and we've got 25 yesterday, and then we went over there to see what the situation was, and we picked up 27 more. And then 30 have come in today. So this is just the beginning.
Kathy Rogers runs his rehab center for birds in Hutchins and is taking in the birds, making sure they're rehydrated and fed. But these egret experts say these birds are expensive to care for.
They're very diet specific. They eat mice and crickets and mealworms, and we give them strips of beef heart. But it's the mice that's the main staple for them.
She's now in a battle against time. These babies are supposed to migrate south in September for the winter months.
We're more than happy to take these birds in and raise them and release them back where they're supposed to be, but we do need some help from the public to make sure this happens.
Sounds like a bad situation, one that won't end in egret regret, thanks to these folks.